Okay, this is my hosting control panel. Take a look at these icons and read them to see what you are able to do in here. I am using this hosting service for about 5 years by now, and I'm quite satisfied with the service. Now I have a help center here, and when I submit a new support ticket, I usually get response in approximately 15 to 20 minutes. It's always a good idea to choose a greater hosting plan with lots of space and abilities to create more FTP accounts, mailing list, MySQL databases, hosting more domains, and simply you won't need to think about how much space you have in your hosting account when you have, like I have here, for example, 25,000 megabytes. Now I'll probably never use it. And then again, it costs me the same as I see some smaller hosting providers that offer you like 1,000 megabytes for, I don't know, like $100 a year. I cannot tell you how important it is to choose the right hosting provider, since you will be living with them. It's like you rent a flat in a bad landlord, like you will have to live with them. And if some technical issue appears, you will rely on them. You have to contact them and they will be solving it. I cannot describe you how much problems I had on my previous hosting provider. A good thing when choosing a hosting provider is to give them a call and to ask them something about their services, because if they don't answer you 24/7, then they are not a serious provider. If they offer a global service, then they should be online and answer the phone 24/7. We can start WordPress auto install now. First thing we need to do is create my SQL database, so we click here. This is really simple, just type in your base name, for example base 25, and you type in your password. And click Add SQL Database. Okay, it's done. We are ready to go to WordPress auto install. Go to Web Tools and Elephant Free Scripts. We have a list of software that we can install. You also have Joomla here, and Drupal, and even Mambo, I see. Now, choosing WordPress over Joomla. This was the question, right? WordPress is much lighter and faster than Joomla. That's why WordPress is default blogging platform. Now, Joomla already lost the war, and they know it. So they decided to turn more on commercial versions, and they have more commercial templates. But WordPress also can look commercial, and I strongly suggest you to use WordPress over Joomla. Now when this is cleared, we can go to installation process. Click on WordPress. Okay, you have a quick description overview here. You can view a demo, but you probably seen a WordPress blog before. So just click to install WordPress. Okay, this is the auto install process starts here. Now you need to edit a few parameters. For example, database prefix you can leave as it is. You are choosing your base here, and this is the base we created. Domain, choose a domain. For example, I'll choose this one to show you this. and path where the website will be hosted. So it will go your domain / WordPress, or we can type a number 1, for example. Then here goes the admin username. You can choose random, for example, like Roger. Okay, type Roger and type your password. So just use few letters just to show you. It's really not important. Admin email, admin at domain probably, and weblog title. We will write your personal blog. You can change it later, so it's not important, same as the template that will be displayed. And step 3, install. They say it might take a few minutes, but I think it will be much less. Oh, already done. Your password and your username will be mailed to you, and I will show you how you will log into your blog. Now click on the link here and your personal blog will appear. Now you can log in here, type your username, admin username, and your password, hit enter, and voila, congratulations, you made your first blog, or your first self-hosted blog. Now I have nothing against public hosted blogs like Blogger or some other, but investing your time and efforts for a period of, let's say, few years, and then they just shut it down. No explanation, no nothing. They just shut it down. So it is advisable to host your own blog. I hope this was useful for you, and feel free to drop me a comment at my personal blog. And see you in the next video.